Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a crystal white 2015 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Limited, stock number A7436. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here that is wrapped in a Goodyear tire. And inside you have a power sunroof. Then there's a tan leather upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Legacy. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have keyless entry for the trunk here. Inside of the trunk, as you can see, is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split. You do have an all-weather cargo mat as well as a set of floor mats back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Subaru today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons for memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a step inside, you have a push-button start here. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls as well as information buttons. On the right-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons. Coming up to the rear view mirror, there is a compass display as well as HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And then down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have capabilities here for navigation. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating. You do have an extra compartment in here with 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port. This is a 6-speed continuously variable transmission with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 36 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Legacy or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.